Loves. So parang kami that time, hindi pa namin siya na-imagine eh. Kasi parang, ano pa yung napaka-raw pa po ng music. So that's when the time na inupuan namin siya. And nagulat na lang kami na everything was possible pala. Tapos ngayon, na-edit pa siya, nabigyan na ng concept. So parang, na-imagine namin ngayon na parang we're in a place na everything is possible pala when you are cooperating as one. So especially AQ Music, sobrang maraming adventures kami ngayon na ginagawa na magiging surprise din para sa lahat. So isa tong Give Me The Music as a teaser. Kasi this is the first ever collaboration ng mismong first artist ni AQ Music, which is Believe and Zilla.
Is it hard to, I can imagine, aside from being fun, it's also challenging to put not one, not two, but so many creative minds together. Like how do you manage all the creativity paano nila gagawa into one product?
So dito po sa site na to, I think it's really best na magpasalamat talaga kay RS kasi he was the one who opened the door and the opportunity for everything to work out. So lahat from there, parang nagkaroon ng structure, tapos Believe, then Zayla, and also our bosses from AQ Music. So I don't know, but it really went so smooth. Parang lahat ng ideas, lahat ng concept, lahat ng stories, lahat ng mga visuals, lahat siya sobrang smooth na come into place. So I think it really envelopes something na for the future ng mga mangyayari pa sa aming adventures.
Yeah, it's all collaboration.
Collaborative, yeah.
I'm curious, I'm glad you mentioned Sir RS. No? Of course, it's a young artist, but you can definitely see pulling influences from stuff before. Where were you pulling influences when you were coming up with ideas for this?
Well, actually, first and foremost, when I heard the music, when it was presented to us, to Attorney Aldwin, to Attorney Hani, to me, when it was presented to me, they wanted a girl to sing it. And I don't know, for some reason, I was like, I could hear boys singing this. And see Attorney Aldwin was like who? Sabi ko, Believe to eh. This Believe. Tapos si Zela nag-aarya. And then he was like, are you sure? I go, yeah, let's get sina Caleb, let's get sina Hazel Faye, let's get all yung mga suki namin, yung mga music writers. And let's collaborate. Sabi ko, let's talk to Prod Asia. Paano ba ito gagawin? Paano mapupull off natin itong office na boring na magmumukhang ganito, draft? And how can music transform even the most boring situation into one big party? It's all about collaboration. Like, again, as I've said, we've collaborated with veteran actor Mon Confiado, who was actually our first choice. When it was presented to us the concept na mayroong boss na magmamando sa kanila, right there and then, off the bat, without even thinking, sabi ko, that's Mon Confiado. And then sabi nila, paano kung hindi siya pwede? Sabi ko, I don't know. Sabi ko, basta ang nakikita ko lang si Mon Confiado dito. Sabi ko, Mon or nothing. Sabi ko, teka, tatawagan ko si Licky Gallardo. So talagang, I pulled up all my friendship cards and I made sure to schedule ni Mon Confiado. He was busy at that time he was promoting Quezon. He was promoting Quezon. So he was very busy that time. But then we, again, as I've said, we collaborated along with the look, with the schedule, with everything. And during the shoot, even si Sir Mon was very collaborative with yung look and feel niya, lahat, yung acting niya. He didn't go there as, I'm an award-winning Mon Confiado, and I know what to do. And no, he went there, he goes, RS, how do you want me to look like? How do you want me to do this? What's my relationship? Meron siyang ganun eh. Sinabi ko nga, Sir Mon, hindi naman ito pelikula. Napagano na ako kasi sa sobrang seryoso niya. Pero talagang, it turned out na talagang siya yung pivotal dun sa music. When he played the vinyl record, di ba, pinlay niya, at doon na nagkagulo na, nagkaroon na ng glitches, nagkaroon ng multiverse, hanggang sa na-discover nila yung magical tour na tawag ko nga dun sa show, Narnia. Nabuksan nila yung Narnia, tapos kulang na lang, may lion, tsaka may witch doon na nakita. So, as I told them, from now on, we will collaborate with the artists, with all artists na kilala natin. In fact, ayoko lang magkwento, ayoko mag-name names. Meron na akong nilulutong isa pang collaboration with a major artist for Believe. And it's gonna be one big kakasilang namin ng deal the other day, kami Attorney Aldwin, with that artist. Kaya sinabi ko sa Bilib, pag good boy kayo, ikwento kung sino yun. So, mamaya siguro, pupulitin nila ako para tanong kung sino yun. Pero yun, so expect a lot from Bilib and Zayla, expect a lot from AQ Music, and expect to hear Give Me the Music sa mga clubs, sa mga bars, kahit saan pwede, kahit kung pwede ko ipatugtog sa library yan, ipatugtogin ko na rin, kahit saan. So that's it. Thank you very much, everyone.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Grabe, ang ganda talaga, RS. Isa pang gandang-ganda from Philippine Daily Inquirer, Hannah Maliorca.
Hi everyone! So, congratulations and it's nice to see you all again. So, na-explain na nga kanina that Sir Mon was sort of the boss in the company, yung concept, which is the concept. So, can you explain bakit yun yung naging concept ng music video?
You wanna share?
That's the game boss.
Oo, bakit siya yung boss? Bakit may boss?
Well, yun nga po, yung sabi ni RS, si Sir Mon po talaga yung first choice po talaga. And sobrang deserve po ni Sir Mon yung character niya po dun sa Give Me the Music. Kasi parang mas nadalian po kaming ma-pull off yung mga dapat po namin ibigay for the MV. And yung story po kasi talaga ng MV is, si Sir Mon po, given na Give Me the Music, from start po is medyo, ano po kami, parang bored, ganyan. Tapos,
Routinary.
parang routine, parang paulit-ulit na po yung routine namin everyday. Tapos medyo boring na siya. Tapos, biglang nagkaroon kami ng music from out of nowhere, coming from out of nowhere. Tapos yun, grabe. Enjoy kami. Enjoy.
And also, I'll add that the reason why si Mon yung boss, I wanted kasi parang may disruptor. Kasi parang ang tingin ko sa Bilib, they're disrupting the P-pop scene. So si Mon Confiado, siya yung parang, di ba, in a routinary, monotonous, boring, rhythmic,
desaturated life na parang no vibrance and all. And then here comes somebody that disrupts. Akala mo kung sino siya, na yung big boss na si Mon. Only to find out na siya pala yung nag-pull ng plug, siya pala yung nag-play ng music, siya pala yung nag-ano. So it actually symbolizes how Bilib and AQ Music along with Zayla disrupts the music industry.
So, thank you po for the explanation. Siguro, I think one of the important things as artists is to have someone believe in you. And kita naman po kay RS na talagang you really believe in Bilib and Zayla. So, siguro can you describe ano pong meron sa Bilib and kay Zayla? Bakit you really believe in?
Well, from the start naman kasi kami ni Attorney Alvin, Attorney Hani, talagang from ground zero, nung binubuo pa lang namin ang Bilib. Wala pa nga pangalan. We thought of so many names and all that. And then kami tatlo, sila AQ and ako, we thought Bilib is more, mas madulas sa bibig, kahit balik-balik ka rin mo, Bilib pa rin. And even if you tell the name, even if you speak about Bilib sa isang French or sa isang American or sa isang get mo na kami yung concept. So from right there, then binubuo namin siya, nakita namin yung flavor ng iba't ibang member nagja-jive together. And doon ako, quote and unquote, nabilib sa kanila. Kaya sabi ko, okay, you have my commitment, you have my affection, you have my love, and kami nila, Attorney Alvin, Attorney Hani, we will make sure that you get to soar greater heights. So kaya kami lang nila attorneys, andito lang kami sa likod ng Bilib along with Zayla para to be their wind beneath their wings. Ayaw ni Beth Hitler, ganyan.
Thank you so much for congratulations.
Thank you, Hannah.
Thank you, Hannah.
Si Manay Ethel Ramos from Heaven, nag-text sa akin.
Attorney Ethel.
Oo, may tanong. Bago tayo magpunta kay Neil Ramos ng Tempo at kay Josh Mercado ng ABS-CBN, itatanong ko po ang Bilib and then si Sela. Si Attorney Alvin at saka si RS. Sa mga artistang babae natin ngayon, kanino nyo gustong sabihin? ang Give Me the Music at bakit?
Mga artista na.
Ano lang, break.
Low